I got my vinyl cutter. Finna go ahead unbox this so y'all can see how this is. Set it up real quick before I go to work. There it face. All right, let's get to it. See your receipt and your product key. Oh, video. This is a video and tutorial. Okay, you gotta use this to register. That's what's up. Yeah, so I bought a package deal, so they sent me vinyl and the cutter, vinyl. Got some green, yellow, red, and like black. Yeah, green, yellow, red, and black vinyl. That's what's up. And this magnets, in case you want to put a magnet on the car like advertisement. There you go. Okay, this is the tape. This is the cutter you cut your stuff up with. What else is in here? The clear transfer tape you can put your stuff on and squeeze it for the cars. Cable wire. So of course, instruction manual you gotta put together. Yeah, I got an hour before I have to leave out for work. I bet I get it done before then. All right. So for this one, it's gonna be a blade setup. Let's set it up. The blade, I got the pin. I think that's like so you can make sure everything like hitting right and right on point. Then you have the blade. So, all right, blade cartridge. Give you a fuse and an Allen wrench so you can set it up. CD-ROM. I ain't saw one of these in so long, but this is the blade. Like very thin. So this the cover for it. Take it, drop it in there. They say you don't want it out too much, just a little bit. Then screw this little part right here up. Oh, and it's 3 different blades, 30, 45, and 60. Most people use a 45, so I'm gonna use a 45-degree angle. So I'm gonna put the blade on last. I'm gonna use this first. This is the pen. Unscrew this to get it in. Drop it in there, screw it back on. So it's a detailed thing putting together so you can get it. Whew. All right, got 15 minutes before I leave. So you got all the switches, the power cords, and all that. Let me see, what side is it on? Okay. And I'm glad this thing on wheels, man. So, I'm gonna insert this fuse. Oh, so they gave you 3 fuses. That's what's up. There's one already in here, so go ahead, put that one back in here. Oh yeah, so it's gonna be a link in below if you want to get this. I actually got it as a set, so gonna have a link. All right, so I have to head to work. When I get back, that's what I'm put together. Man, just know, entrepreneur, moving forward, ready to go. With this head on the wall, I'm gonna show y'all that every time, man, get it done. Forget the bullshit. Point blank period. Entrepreneur. Support small business. I'll be back.